Basically, modern-day adventurers, go-getters, folks who like to keep moving, whether you're riding bikes, broncos, skateboards, you're the type who walks the earth in search of something kung fu style. These are jeans for you. Classic, modern styles, range of fits, price that works for you. They're doing the vintage re-release, so stuff that's like throwback jeans. Wrangler's got something for everyone, and Jason's going to tell you where to find them.
Yeah, don't forget also about that iconic patch and their stitched W. American icons for over 70 years. Visit Wrangler.com and check out their great selections of jeans, shirts, pants, outerwear for men and women. Wrangler, denim made for